Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, Annex 1 in Pharma, and the key changes you need to know. So, let's get started. What is Annex 1? Annex 1 is a part of the EU GMP guidelines. Specifically, it outlines the principles and guidelines for the manufacture of sterile medicinal products. It's crucial because sterile products, like injectables and eye drops, must be free from microbial contamination, particles, and pyrogens. This document is used by pharmaceutical manufacturers, inspectors, and regulators to ensure consistent product quality and patient safety. Why the revision? The original version was outdated. The pharmaceutical industry has evolved, and new technologies, risk management strategies, and quality systems are now in place. The revision brings Annex 1 in line with ICHQ 9, Quality Risk Management, and ICHQ 10. It also reflects current expectations for Contamination Control Strategy and advanced cleanroom practices. Key changes you should know: Contamination Control Strategy, CCS. A formal CCS is now mandatory. It covers the entire facility, from air handling systems to personnel gowning. You must document and justify how you control and minimize contamination risks. Example: imagine you're running a sterile filling line in a Grade A environment. During your CCS development, you identify that operator glove integrity is a potential risk. So, you implement regular glove leak tests, improve your gowning procedures, and even consider switching from open RABS to isolators to reduce human involvement. This is exactly what Annex 1 is pushing for: a holistic, proactive approach to contamination prevention, quality risk management. The new Annex 1 emphasizes a risk-based approach throughout the manufacturing process. Risk assessments are now integral to decision-making. Enhanced focus on cleanroom design, revised requirements for cleanroom classification, qualification, and monitoring, with updated particle limits, especially for Grade AB areas, barrier technologies, RABS isolators, greater encouragement for the use of restricted access barrier systems, RABS, and isolators over traditional cleanrooms to minimize human intervention. Environmental monitoring, stricter requirements for viable and non-viable particle monitoring, including during operations. Also, greater focus on trending and investigations. PQS integration. The pharmaceutical quality system must integrate all aspects of sterile product manufacturing, including design, validation, and monitoring. Who needs to comply? Annex 1 applies to all manufacturers of sterile medicinal products, whether you're producing in the EU or importing into it. Even if you're outside Europe, if you supply to the EU, you must comply. Conclusion: in summary, Annex 1 is more than just a guideline, it's a roadmap to ensuring your sterile manufacturing practices meet modern expectations. The changes are about proactive control, risk management, and continuous improvement. If you're in quality assurance, validation, or production, understanding these updates is a must. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simplified pharma insights.